situation will go to your dean's list. Get ready with it. In the meantime, that won't work. Huwag muna.
Second chance opportunity.
Ready ka na?
Dali, dapat bagitin din natin si Baltasar.
Teka muna.
Galasan yun eh, high score.
Bayan mo. Teka muna, dead ball lang tayo mo para hindi ka mataranta.
Weapon of choice.
Converge is running. Garcia soars and scores.
And the third point about Rain or Shine is they want to do volume shooting. As now a foul. That's the attack on the inside. Rain or Shine, wala pa silang offensive rebound.
Oh, this is Santos who scores, and that's Brian. Dalawa ang Santos. That's may De Los Santos pa itong converge. And the kickball will result in the shot.
To the ground.
6 points.
That's actually the kind of game that Rain or Shine likes.
6 points by Arana. Santillan cuts down the lead to 10 with a triple.
And that's 8 points now for Santillan.
That's the meantime. Here comes the shot. He'll work. Tumatama na sa labas. Ang Rain or Shine, kinito natin kayata.
That's just a one-point game now for Converge.
Down by as much as our score said, by 13.
I think Converge is realizing.
Mamuyak slows down. Datu says, I want to try this. Yes! It's a 3.
And don't look now. It's Rain or Shine with the lead. It's a 2-point lead for Rain or Shine. What a comeback.
Datu now with 7. Ikaw nakalungkat, siya nakalungkat.
Marami din ako
Okay. Pagbibigyan na kita. Arana in both fast and slow motion, sabay. Pwede ba yun? Pwede yun. In the meantime, 33-29 ang bilang natin. Ito, si Dato, maganda rin ang coming.
Taking the shot, he's getting too predictable because it looks like he's looking to score every time. It's a big shot.
Asisio, who likes shooting those threes, now gives Rain or Shine a 6-point lead. Watch this again. In the meantime, Santillan cuts up the inside. May kasamang ball. Titira pa ng isa.
Yung kanina, yung tira ni Rahal, you describe him as a corner sitter. Ito naman ang ginawa ni Santillan.
Double team on Arana. Kick out, Rakal. Kabal.
Oh, yes.
Second rainbow connection.
Nakita ko yung tira ni Rakal.
And Calaripio are the players on the front. Rakal.
Yes.
Maganda rin ang gising ni Kevin Rakal.
And Rakal now with 9 points on 3 3-pointers.
Here comes Winston. Oh, yes, sir.
And Winston has been sharp. All conference long.
12 puntos for this game. Winston. So, Santillan now being guarded. 2 seconds. Mamuyak. Yes! Ginawa ng paraan.
That's another 3-point shot. Sabi natin, baka yung 3-point shooting ng Rain or Shine might go south.
Away from him. Here comes the cut by Shawnee Winston. Nicely done.
16 points here for Deshaun Winston.
And look at Mamuyak dance in the air. And look at Mamuyak dance in the air and counter quickly. Here by 1. Mamuyak sees a crack. Goes all the way and shoots over Baltasar. Suerte from 50.
That's 7 points now for Suerte. And the lead has swelled to 10 points.
Balik sa double. And third quarter, 3 out of 12 ang pinukol ng Rain or Shine. Sinabi mo nga, hindi na pumapasok, ano? Parang feeling ko pagkatapos nung kay Santillan, hindi na pumasok. No?
At saka marami yun, ha? When you take
12 there, but here comes Pangilinan Lameti. Spinning, created.
Quick basket there for Rain or Shine. Coach Franco Atienza wants better transition defense from Converge.
Because they're behind it. They're stopped them.
Oh, that's going to be a big one.
Oh, what a dagger.
That's a big one.
Oh, what a dagger by Alex Stockton.
Laro mo to, tuloy sa kampiyon. lalaro, tapisyonado. Ang ataglaw